Okay guys, so guys, I made a mistake. I made a big rookie mistake, and oh boy, I don't know how I made a mistake, guys. So the problem with this amplifier, guys, wasn't the the MOSFET driver. It was in fact the two. I put two of the same recovery diode here that I shouldn't have done. I remember I did an amplifier one just like this, but it wasn't one of these, and so I make a mistake and put two of the same type, and then after, yeah, it took me a while before I realized that that I did that one time already. So and then flashback come back, and let me it happens, guys. But man, guys. But let me show you guys how it's supposed to be. This one down here and the end here towards the back plate of the power supply section, yeah, to the back plate of where the power input, section, guys. This one is the one with the diode, like the two white slash, and the diode is like kissing each other. Yeah, so let me just give you a close-up video of how it's supposed to be like. The diagram is supposed to be like that, guys. Don't make that mistake like I did. So it's good I made that mistake so you guys can really learn, so that's how it's supposed to be. When it's not marked on the circuit board, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I figure it out at the last minute, but it's a good thing the amplifier protection system is so good that it keep going to protection mode and that blow up the output and stuff like that. But that's how it's supposed to be, guys. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. And let me see, yes, you guys see if it pours on, see if you get a blue light. Fan is working, guys, and you could see the blue light is on. Yeah, the blue light is on. Alright, check this MOSFET, make sure nothing is overheating. Yes, these MOSFET have no mind that I know these MOSFET, guys, is the one that I have. It's a bad batch. I thought I put them. Alright, so this is the next. So I'm gonna trade these MOSFET, guys, for some another batch. Wow. Alright, guys, give me a second here. Alright, guys, let's go again. Alright, let it run for a while and see what's happening. Alright, switch it out. Those were overheating like crazy. Alright. See, guys? Now we're good. I don't remember, guys, I made a video there at one time with the same thing happened to me when I replaced some MOSFET, and I realized it was a bad one. But this time, guys, I have inside now. It's not the 4115. This time it's a 4127. IRFB 4127. So yeah, those work 4115, 4127, and also the PDP 075N15 works here too. Yep, so that's basically, guys. I'm going to put it back into the chassis and give it a bench test so you guys can see if I'm getting any audio, because sometimes these things throw your curveball until you can't dodge. You can't dodge some curveball, this damn thing. I can't believe this amplifier took me this long, guys. You see? But guys, for the video, it's really good, it's really good information for you guys to see what stuff that happen. So you next, you guys get one, so you know exactly what to do. So if it didn't happen to me, you guys would know, yeah, maybe you would know from another source, but talking about from my source, my point. But guys, that's how it goes in the world of repairing sometimes. Then you have some hiccups, some good days, sometimes from bad days. Like I guarantee you guys, out of all of them, I have 4 to repair, and out of all of 4, I think this is the worst. I can guarantee you that. It always happens like that with me. I don't know about anybody else, but in time working, I don't know. It's just that I guess it's teaching me something. I just refresh my memory of what not to do or what to do. Just like why I made the mistake with that. I don't know, man. I could beat myself, guys, with recovery diode, guys. I shouldn't have made that mistake. It's two different type of recovery diode goes there, guys, not the same type, two different type. As I show in the video. So correction, when you watch the first video, just know that what I was saying about the recovery diode at that point was a bull, you know, was BS. So please don't hold me again, you know. So you guys don't hold me against it, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. But at least I get time enough to correct myself, and I didn't post this video without correcting myself. So and wow, this crap. This thing wanna take it out now. Come on. Alright, so yep. S3 is the one with the signal facing each other, like the two white part of the diode facing each other. The S3, the one to this end down here. Yeah. And the one here is the one with the signal of the diode pointing outwards. And this is with the two diode signal pointing inwards. Two signal pointing inward with this recovery diode. Hold on. Two signal pointing in with this recovery diode. And the two signal pointing out. Opposite side on this recovery diode. So yes, guys, so that's basically it, you know. Yeah, you know. That's how it is, guys. That's how it goes. So guys, I'm glad I didn't post the video, you know, so I get time to correct myself. Alright, so this time this is running with the 4127, I mean 4127 I want to put here. I mean, guys, so don't screw up and give me the benches. Give me a minute. Alright, guys, switch it on and see now. Alright, see if you get blue light, red light, blue light. Careful not to touch the chassis of this thing with this. Time. Let's see. You can get a bench test out of this thing. When you audio, I didn't even check the voltage, guys. Just to tell you the truth, I didn't check if everything was on inside. Everything was fine. These amplifier guys pack a lot of punch. You have to be careful with them. Yeah, that Taran the other day, man, that thing gave me a wake up call. Alright. So now I'm getting audio. So like it's on bass. So you know the way this one goes down, guys, yeah, this one goes down really bad. Again, turn down. Level up, that's the right there. Let's see. Alright. everything all twisted here. So, this is a no copyright here. Fly away. Who's texting me now? Sure. Guys, that would be it for now from this Golden Eagle, guys. So I'm not finished with it now, guys, but I'm gonna test the next gear. I'm gonna test some other beats that, you know, that's not, you know, it's copyrighted, so I can't play them on the channel. So yeah, but for now, that's it for now, guys. And please like, subscribe if you like what you see. And yep, guys, see you guys on the next one. Definitely, guys. And please remember, guys, yeah, recovery diode when you have that problem. Yeah. And but guys, yep. That's how it goes. Alright, Carty&Carty out for now. See you guys on the next one. Alright, guys. Alright. Thank you, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what I see. And thank you, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And alright, Carty&Carty out for now.